Do you want to learn how you can drive free traffic to your affiliate offers? Then watch this video. Hi guys, James here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you a simple, easy way to get free traffic to your affiliate offers using Facebook. Basically, this video will show you everything you need to do step by step, and I'll walk you through the whole process and explain everything to you. I'll even share with you my special trick to help you avoid domain bans when promoting your offers on Facebook. This method, guys, is a free method and it doesn't require any money or even web hosting, so it is a 100% free method. Also, in this video, I will also tell you how to get a copy of the landing page I used in this video, so make sure you stick around for that. Also, guys, if you do enjoy content or videos like this and you want to see more videos that are packed full of helpful tips, tricks, and money-making methods, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out. Now, the first thing we need is an offer to promote, so let's quickly pick our offer that we're going to promote in this video. This method works really well for any type of making money online type offers. So that's the niche that we're going to be working with for this example, but you could easily use this method for any other niches that you want. And also for this video, we're going to be using a Clickbank offer. But this is just for illustration purposes. I've used this exact same technique for Maxbounty offers as well. So you can pretty much, with a little bit of tweaking, you could use this method to promote any offer you'd like from any network you'd like. And for this example, or for this video, we're going to be promoting e-business and e-marketing product. So click on here and we'll go by gravity. And it's this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate system. And the main reason why I decided to pick this offer, number one, it's got a good amount per conversion. So how much you make per sale is really good at $169 on average. It's got reoccurring billing of $24, which is really nice to have. And the gravity is 153, which is a good amount of gravity. So people are successful promoting it. So it should be a product that is good to promote or relatively easy to promote, or at the very least, it means that the landing page that they have here does convert and it works because people are making sales with it. That's the main reasons why I decided to work with this one. And of course, because the niche is a making money online type niche. And that is the product we will be promoting in this video. But again, like I said, you can pick any product you want to promote, any niche you want to promote. You might have to do a little bit of changes here and there, but this is the one I'm going to use as an example. Anyways, after you picked out your offer that you want to promote, the next thing you need to do is create a landing page for that offer. This is going to basically where you're going to send all the traffic from Facebook. Now, there's a reason why you have to create a landing page, is because Facebook does not like you posting affiliate links on their platform, and you can run into all kinds of problems. And for that, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Google Docs as our landing page. And the main reason why I want to use Google Docs, or we're going to be using it for this video specifically, is number one, it's free. And number two, you don't need to worry about domain or URL bans if you promote your offer too aggressively. And what I mean by that is if you go onto Facebook and you spam your link all over the place and you promote very aggressively, there is a chance that Facebook could block your URL or your domain, and you're going to run into problems, and you don't want that. And a neat little trick to get around that is to simply create a Google Doc as a landing page, and then using that to send all your free Facebook traffic to, which then redirects them to the offer that you're trying to promote. So that's a cool little trick that you can do. And this landing page doesn't need to be anything too crazy or too long. Just enough information to introduce the product, maybe add a little bit of mystery, and get them clicking through to learn more. That's what you want to do for this landing page. You want them to click through to learn more. So for example, this one here, I'm just using a little bit of intrigue. They don't want you to see this, and it's got this image above it where it looks like if they click on this, they're going to watch a video. And what I've done is I've simply just taken a screenshot from this page here. I think it's down here somewhere. This one here. I just took this screenshot here, and I just link it through to the page. So what happens is when they come on here, they say, okay, click here to watch a video. And what it does is it takes them to this page here where they can start watching the sales video and start getting sold on the product. All I'm trying to do is convince them to click through and just add just enough information that it piques their interest that they want to learn more. I'm not trying to actually sell them on the product here. I'm just giving a quick couple points and then convincing them to click through. That's what you want for the landing page. Okay, and that's basically it. And like I said, guys, you just want to convince them to click through, because these landing pages that these people create for these programs that you're promoting, a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of A/B testing has gone into these pages to make them pages that convert and warm up and sell. Let them do the heavy lifting. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. All you need to do is get them on this page and let this page do its job. That's what you want to do. Anyways, now you've got your landing page all sorted. And guys, if you want to download that landing page, I'll include a link down below the video where you can click and download that landing page for free, so you don't have to go and create it yourself. You can just edit it for whatever offer you're promoting. The next thing you need to do is go and log into Facebook, and this is where you're going to be getting your free traffic from. Okay, and to do this, we're going to be using Facebook groups. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on the left-hand side. You're going to look somewhere for groups. You're going to click on groups. Guys, one thing I wanted to tell you is if you are doing this method, I suggest you maybe create a dummy account like I've done here, just because you don't want your private account getting spammed with all kinds of people, friend requests and everything like that. So I recommend maybe just creating a dummy account that you're going to use just for this kind of methods or any type of promotional methods that you're going to be doing on Facebook. It helps. So what you want to do is log into your account, and you want to click on groups. Don't care about editing, that's fine. And you're going to be looking for groups here. On the left hand side, you're going to have search groups, and this is where we're going to type in the niche that you're promoting whatever your offer's in. So for example, we're Make Money Online, so we're going to do Make Money Online. And you're just going to do a search here, and all these groups are going to come up. Click on See All, and these are all groups that you can join. Okay, and you look at this here, guys. You've got 100,000 members, 96,000 members, 2,000 members, 15,000, 33, 144. These are all large groups that you can join and start promoting your product. Some of them won't let you promote, some of them will. But what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to go and just join as many groups as you can. Click on as many as you can and join as many groups as you can that are related to your niche. If your niche was something else, like let's say it was like, weight loss. So you could type in weight loss. If it's for women, weight loss support for women. And you can go again and look at all these groups, and you can start joining these groups. These are all targeted groups around people that are interested in that specific niche. So these are really good places to promote your product to, okay? And that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start joining all these groups. That's the first thing you have to do. So find a bunch of groups related to the niche that you're promoting, or the offer that you're promoting, and start joining those groups. So for example, work from home. That's another good one. And again, you'll find all these groups will come up, and you just start joining them, okay? Just start joining these groups. Just click on join. Join. That's it. Just join these groups. That's all you want to do. If it asks for you these questions, just fill them out and just follow whatever onboarding they're asking you to do, and just fill it out, and that's it, okay? And you're going to join these groups. Another good one is side hustles for Make Money Online, because that's also a good niche or good search for groups. And you can look at all these groups here. Side hustle, 224,000. Okay, guys, so find a bunch of groups related to your niche, and you're going to join those groups. Okay, so after you joined a bunch of groups, you're going to start promoting your offer in these groups. Okay, now there's a few things you need to do if you want to promote them properly in these groups. The first thing you need to do is you need to find a good image to use. My suggestion is you go somewhere like pixabay.com and you look for images here. So for example, because of the way I'm doing mine, I'm going to type in question because I want to have something with intrigue, and an image like this. You can just, that would be a good one. I'm going to use that one. Okay, we'll download that. Click Not a Robot, download, and there we go. I can use this for free, which is perfect. I find a lot of times like images that have like a person with money or some kind of bright background is really good as well. So we'll try holding money. Let's try that one here. So yeah, something like this or this. Something with a person's face also works really well. Something like this really works really well and stuff. Just look for some kind of image that jumps and gets somebody's attention. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so something like this because you're about making money. Again, all these ones can work, and these are all free images that you can use, guys. So just go over to pixabay.com right here, pixabay.com, and you can go there and download any of these images for free. There's tons of images. So the first thing, like I said, you need is a good image. Okay, that's what you need. Next thing you need is you need to type up some a good sales text or something that's going to convince them to click through. All right. Now, for example, for this one, I've decided because of the way I'm doing the landing page here, Facebook hates this. They don't want you to see this. I'm doing something, learn the secret that Facebook is trying to hide from you. There's a program that is generating thousands of people, thousands of people using money every day. A basic text. That's all you want to do. Something that's going to get them clicking through. And then you want to put your link right here to the document. Now, when you are sharing this document, you're not going to put the direct URL. What you're going to do is go File and Share, and it's going to give you a URL. We're going to click the link. So we're going to get the link and make sure it's anyone with this link, not restricted. And you're going to click on copy link, and that's going to be the link that you're going to share. Okay, so you don't share the actual URL to your Google document. You want to create a new link that you're going to share, which is just share. So it's a special link that you can share. All right, and that's where you're gonna stick right here. That's the link that you're going to promote. Okay, so you need to write something up basic like that. I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go back here to Facebook groups, and I'm just going to go into a group. I'm going to go to this one first, and I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to post. I'm going to paste my text. And I'm going to highlight this because I want to bold it. And I find that these first two lines are the two most important, because when it's shortened, these are the ones that people always see, these first two lines, roughly about that. So it might show this one here, but I always make sure these ones are snappy. Okay. And for an image, you could use this image, but we're not going to do that. All right, we'll add our own image. And we have an image. There we go. I'm going to use the road sign here, the one I downloaded. And there we go. And we're going to post it. So it's got our link and it's got everything we need. Now we just click on post. And this post, guys, is going to be seen by all these people in this group. Okay, this one here, it's going to have to approve it. That's fine. Some of them will be approved, some of them won't. Your goal is to just go into all these groups and start posting. You want to start posting as many places as you can and start promoting it everywhere. Okay, that is the goal that you want to do. Okay, I suggest when it comes to this method that you work on posting about 2 or 3 times a day. Okay, so you want to post it like maybe in the morning, at lunch, in the afternoon, spread it out. And one thing you want to do is when you are posting, guys, if you notice that your post is at the top here or something, or it hasn't been pushed down by any new posts, don't post another one. Just skip it and come back later. You don't want to have multiple posts of yours one after the other. Also, the other thing is, if you can, I suggest you also make 3 or 4 different posts that you post, that you sort of rotate, so it doesn't look as obvious that you're just sort of posting the same thing over and over and over again. If you're lazy, you can just put a different image for each one. That can work, and maybe just change the headline here to something else. That's really important, guys. Again, you don't want to get marked as spam. You want people to read this. You want them to click on your offer, and you want them to go to whatever you're promoting. All right, let's try another one here. Let's find another one we can post in. I don't know, we'll just click on this one maybe. Yeah, why not? All right, let's post another post, create a post. Again, we're just going to paste our text here. We're going to highlight this and we're going to bold it, and we're going to change our image, and we'll just use this one right here, and we'll post it. And this should post it right here. Just give it a second for it to do everything it's got to do. And there we go. Boom. Our post is here. 956 members of this group, and all of them will see this post. Okay. I always like mine. Give it a like up right away. 1 like. Another thing you can do also, if you want, if you see one that's being that's posted, you can also post in your text right here as well. A lot of people do that. It's up to you. I would suggest, if you are going to do that, is that you create a different text for that, for the comments, so something a little bit different, so it doesn't look like you're just obviously spamming. But that also works as well, because people will look at this offer and they will click on this as well. That is basically how you're going to do it, and this is going to give you a ton of free traffic from Facebook. People think that this kind of method is not, like, it's dead. Trust me, it works. I've done testing with this, and I've been using this method for a while now, on and off, and I can tell you that it does work. You just need to be consistent and make sure you post regularly. Like I mentioned, guys, like 2 or 3 times a day, you want to go through all the groups that you're posting, and you want to make sure that one of your posts is near the top. Okay. And that's what you're going to do. And if you do this, guys, you will get a lot of traffic. Now, like I mentioned, guys, I will include a link down below where you can download this this landing page for free. Also down below, I will link to my 20 video training course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to get started with affiliate marketing, picking winning offers, creating landing pages, email marketing, running paid ads. Everything you need to get started is covered in depth. So if you want to skip ahead months of hard work, sign up for the course below. With that being said, thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.